Looking for a home with a country setting? This ranch home has a block foundation and has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths and an office space. This home needs only minor repairs but can be moved into quick. The main bedroom accesses the spacious deck on the back with a main bath that has a double bowl vanity, jacuzzi tub and walk-in shower. It sits on an acre fenced lot with a straight creek bordering the backside of the property. It has city water. There is a detached garage, and 2 other storage buildings. It has plenty of parking space. Schedule a showing today.